In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a section on ClickUp into Excel. This skill is particularly valuable if you're involved in project management or dealing with a lot of data that needs to be shared or analyzed. Having the ability to efficiently export this data can help streamline your work, allowing you to create insightful reports, communicate effectively with stakeholders, or even prepare to migrate data to a new platform. The export functionality in ClickUp is versatile, catering to a range of needs by letting you export data from different levels. This video will focus on exporting a specific view, which gives you the flexibility to decide exactly which data and tasks to include in your exported file, delivering the precise information you need every time. To begin, navigate to the section you wish to export. This could be a space, a folder, or a list, depending on your organizational structure and what makes most sense for your current needs. Once you've located the section, you'll want to turn your attention to the top right-hand corner of your screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Customize. Go ahead and click on it. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll find several options. Among these, look for Export. This is where you can configure your export settings to best suit your requirements. Once you're in the Export menu, you have the opportunity to customize your export further. You can choose precisely what data you want to include in your export file. This includes selecting specific task fields, ensuring that only the most relevant data is transferred to your Excel file. Additionally, you'll need to specify your preferred file format. Since we're focusing on Excel, go ahead and select that option. Keep an eye out for the date format settings as well. It's important to make sure these align with your standard reporting formats to avoid any potential confusion or need for reformatting later. After you've tailored all these settings to your liking, you can proceed to download your file. Remember, though, that these exporting features are only available to premium users of ClickUp. If you're using a free account, you might want to explore other methods or consider an upgrade if this is a functionality you'll frequently need. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to exporting a ClickUp section into Excel. With just a few clicks, you can harness the power of ClickUp's export feature, simplifying your workflow and ensuring that you're always ready to share your data when you need to. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.